China's leading epidemiologist Zhong Nanshan on Friday urged to beef up the vaccination drive against COVID-19, particularly among the elderly and other vulnerable groups. Addressing the annual Congress of the Chinese Thoracic Society via video link, Zhong said that beefing up vaccination is one of the vital steps for COVID-19 prevention and control.
中国的灭活疫苗或者这个抵腺病毒疫苗是有用的。上海呢，是我们可以看到60岁以上的跟未接种疫苗的60岁完成了加强疫苗接种，死亡率可以降低98%。
Zhong said that China's COVID-19 prevention and control strategy has achieved great results recognized by the world. He said that research has shown that the Omicron variant has continuously enhanced transmissibility, but with a continuously declined mortality rate.
Omicron 现在的 B4、B5、BF7， 所以它感染不可怕，99%可以在7天到10天完全恢复。